When it comes to Silicon Valley real estate, investors are a dime a dozen. It's actually the properties that are hard to find. It's the opportunities that are few and far between. But I've got one for you here today. I'm at 1855 Bel Air Avenue in San Jose. This is in the Rose Garden area, 95126. We're a stone's throw from Santa Clara University, Valley Fair, from Santana Row, in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in all of San Jose. And this home is just begging for somebody to come in, renovate, and bring it back to its beautiful former glory. Almost 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms. It has 2 full bathrooms, very nice floor plan, really nice sized bedrooms. The way that this property is positioned on the lot, it gives you a huge backyard as well as a really nice detached 2-car garage. And it sits on almost an 8,000 square foot lot on a gorgeous tree-lined street. There's a couple of things about this property that need to be done before somebody can move into it. Needs some more elbow grease than just your average cosmetic flip, but the potential is incredible. You might want to replace the windows, do some work on the roof. The electrical is due for an upgrade, but you also have already redone plumbing as well as the flooring in this house, for its age and for the last time that it was redone, is in pristine condition. There's hardwood throughout almost the entire house. They're all oak and they're all in really good condition, which would be a big money saver for a flipper. So a couple of these important things are already baked into it for you. What I can also say is when you're purchasing a home that was built 75 years ago, you can be sure that the quality of construction in terms of the materials used and the sturdiness of the frame is going to be even better than homes built today. Just really the location in and of itself is what is really appealing about this property. So why is this neighborhood so desirable? Number one is its central location in the middle of everything here. As I mentioned, close to Santa Clara University, Valley Fair, Santana Row, but you're also close to downtown San Jose, close to Willow Glen, 5 minutes from the San Jose airport. You're also not far away from a lot of the tech giants like Facebook, Google, Apple, and all the companies that have made Silicon Valley world famous. And we're not far away from many public and private schools that a lot of people want to send their children to. And I think what most people really love about this is just the charm. Tree-lined streets, not just this one, but all the neighboring streets as well. Most of the homes are anywhere from 75 to 100 years old. So they have character and they're custom. It's not a track home type of a neighborhood. And really, as you just drive around this neighborhood, you can't help but fall in love. So as I walk around this place, all I see is just tons and tons of potential. Now this potential could be for somebody who wants to invest in the property, fix it up and sell it. That's called a flip. Another really good opportunity for this house is for a homeowner who really wants to live in this neighborhood. What they could do is they could make this exactly what they want, pay less for it, and build in that sweat equity. So it really doesn't matter if you're an investor or if you're what's called an end user. This is really a great property to check out. If you're from the San Jose area, you probably already know this, but the Rose Garden neighborhood is one of the most challenging places to find a home and get into. People don't sell their houses around here. It's a very low turnover neighborhood. So there's very low inventory here at most points, not only throughout the year, but throughout the decades. Finding something like this is a complete gem. So I really implore you, if you're looking for a home and Rose Garden is one of those neighborhoods that you wish you could live in, this is definitely something to check out.